Hi everyone. Welcome to Martinez Law Center, California. I specialize in unlawful detainers and eviction tenants at the Martinez Law Center in Southern California. We prioritize tenant rights, especially those suffering unlawful apartment or business evictions across the state. Martinez Law Center understands tenant issues and provides competent legal assistance. Call us at 714-442-9741.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Martinez Law Center in California. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that's no fun for anyone: eviction notices. If you're a tenant, it's important to know your rights and what to do if you receive one of these notices. So, let's break down the different types of eviction notices tenants can receive. Types of eviction notices. Pay rent or quit notice. This is the most common type of eviction notice. If you haven't paid your rent, your landlord will likely send you a pay rent or quit notice. This notice will give you a specific amount of time, usually 3 to 5 days, to pay the rent in full. If you don't pay the rent by the deadline, your landlord can start the eviction process. Cure or quit notice. This type of notice is for lease violations other than non-payment of rent. For example, if you're making too much noise or damaging the property, your landlord may send you a cure or quit notice. This notice will give you a specific amount of time, usually 10 to 30 days, to fix the problem. If you don't fix the problem by the deadline, your landlord can start the eviction process. Unconditional quit notice. This is the harshest type of eviction notice. It means that you have to move out immediately, with no chance to pay the rent or fix any lease violations. Unconditional quit notices are usually only used in very serious cases, such as if you're caught using drugs on the property or engaging in violence. What to do if you receive an eviction notice. If you receive an eviction notice, the first thing you should do is read it carefully. The notice should explain the reason for the eviction and what you need to do to avoid it. If you think the eviction notice is wrong, you should contact a lawyer or a tenants' rights organization. They can help you understand your rights and options. If you can't afford a lawyer, there are free legal aid services available in most communities. You can also find helpful information online at websites like the National Low-Income Housing Coalition. It's important to remember that you have rights as a tenant. Even if you receive an eviction notice, you don't have to move out immediately. There are things you can do to fight the eviction or negotiate with your landlord. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Call to action. If you're facing eviction, don't give up. There are resources available to help you. Contact a lawyer or tenants' rights organization today. Call now, 714-442-9741. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos, special additional tips. California has several types of eviction notices, including 3-day notice to quit. For non-compliance, such as illegal activity, excessive property damage, or criminal activity. 3-day notice to pay rent or quit. For non-compliance, such as non-payment of rent. 3-day notice to perform covenants or quit. For performing covenants or quitting. 30-day notice for no-cause evictions, such as terminating a month-to-month tenancy. 60-day notice terminating a month-to-month tenancy that is over 1 year old. 90-day notice for government-subsidized housing. 30 to 60-day notice for terminating the lease agreement, such as a month-to-month tenancy. The deadline for the eviction notice starts the day after the notice is received. Keep a copy of all important documents, such as your lease agreement and receipts for rent payments. Document any communication you have with your landlord, including the date, time, and what was said. Be polite and respectful when dealing with your landlord. Don't ignore an eviction notice. Take action to protect your rights. Know your rights as a tenant in California. Thank you.